Where's your balloon, little boy?
No, I'm gonna go grab your brother. See if he's awake. Just stay down here in case he's not, okay?
I thought I heard him awake, but stay here. Extreme Jaden close-up. I'm just being silly. Happy birthday to Jaden. Ah! You gotta make it. Would you scrape your toe?
No.
Did you scrape your ankle? Did you scrape your head? Did you scrape your ear? Did you scrape your tooth? Did you scrape your eye? Did you scrape your nose? Did you scrape your brain? Did you scrape your What did you scrape? What did you hurt, little boy? What did you hurt? Oh no, let's check this out. Dr. Grammy. Dr. Grammy. Oh no, the toe, the toe. Oh no, the toe.
Hey, Jaden. Can you come up here in a minute?
Oh, he hurt his toe. Hi, James. Yeah. Hi, little James.
Grammy's gonna come say
Good morning, James. I'm coming.
hi.
It's time for bath. He woke up in a good mood. That bed is so cool. Hi, Jace. Good morning. Don't be nice to your brother. Yeah, I think you think you're a transformer or something. Jace, it's time for a bath. Jace, it's time for a bath.